This is Carl with Pinnacle General Contracting. We're here at the Lundin's house at 1135 Latrobe Drive in Annapolis, Maryland. Allstate has ordered repairs for the damaged shingles across the roof, so here's a good one to attempt repair on. I've previously sent in a video showing some of the other former repairs on the roof, how it created additional damages, but this claim's moving towards appraisal, so I did just want to do like a current active repair, so we have something to send in for you guys to kind of see why it's justified. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Where's my tool? Could you pass me my glove? I think it's in that bag right there. Thank you. That's one thing about shingles. Like, if you don't wear gloves while you're doing repairs, your hands will be filled with little shards of fiberglass.
Oh, that's not good.
It's terrible. So this nail is just popping through the shingles. I can't really get it out at all. I'm just gonna, since it's already popped through the one we're taking out, I'm just gonna get rid of it once I remove this. It's easier that way. Same thing with this one, just popping through. Nails are like super hard to get out. Need a bigger crowbar. Just so these shingles are really brittle. If you want to like just hand me the phone, I can zoom in on this. So this is now like affecting the shingles, you know, other than the one that's being repaired. If you can see, trying to get nails out, it's like creating little tears going through it. So anytime you've got a lot of tears, I'm just gonna make a bold assumption and say these aren't probably gonna seal back down after the repair. And then there's like, we can add adhesive, but it just, you know, see the dirt right here on the inside. You know that water is running through there. If there's tears like this, it can allow it, see how it goes above the nail, then water is getting behind the shingle in this course through the underlayments and causing leaks. So I like to point stuff out such as that throughout the repair process, anything that's going to be relevant to the overall repairability of the roof. There we go. Oh yeah, that's just popping right through. So you can get this out. These granules. No! Stop! Okay. New shingle. As we can see, already there is, oh wait, I gotta get those couple nails out. Anyways, as I was saying, like, you can already start to see that there is some granule loss occurring. Not lifting the shingles at any kind of like angle that isn't absolutely necessary to repair. This joint right here needs to go. My foot, like the tendon that goes across it, it's like getting pulled so much right now.
So good.
Only on this side. Alright. A lot of these nails have defects. then not gonna lift these any higher than what's absolutely necessary to nail these shingles. And as I'm nailing, I don't know if you can see in the video just how many granules are coming off, not only from the shingles involved directly in the repair, but literally everywhere. They're just falling off. Anyways.
Did you just nail your finger?
Hit my thumb. I always fill on the second course. I put the new nails where the old nail holes were, because I don't want any leaks to develop. So if it seems like I'm nailing anything high, that's the reason. I'm just gonna nail the shingles, if it's up to me, where they're supposed to be nailed, like directly above the bonding strip. But I have no control over whatever the last contractor did, you know.
Someone's
Okay.
calling you.
Just ignore it. Did it mess with the video?
I don't think so.
Okay, good. Who is it?
Someone from Switzerland.
Cool. Okay, so this shingle's nailed in pretty good. If we do a couple taps, you can see how many granules are now falling off of these shingles. Like, I mean, yeah, that's an insane amount. So if you wipe them away, you can see that every single shingle that was involved in this repair now has additional damages. So that's gonna be right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here. If you want to hand me the phone, I can do a close-up. So yeah, see these creases in the shingles. And if you look at the previous video I sent in, there's more evidence why we should be replacing rather than repairing. Just how previous repairs have left the roof. I'm just resealing. I'm putting some adhesive under these right now so they stick down, because these shingles we're using, I believe, are discontinued. Tamco something green, I don't know, but I wasn't about to go and ask my distributor. The homeowner had some laying around, but they are pretty old. So anyways, when you have issues like this coming up during a repair, you know what I'm saying, if you do a quick survey of the roof, there's damaged shingles all over the place, Here's one right here. There's another. There's one right there. There's one down low. Across in the front, there's damaged shingles, and you see what I'm getting at. So if you go on a shingle per shingle basis, and each one you replace requires the 7 above it to be replaced, and the manner in which they're installed kind of staggers out like this in both directions. So shingle by shingle by shingle, you know, you might get out of replacing 1,000 out of the 4,000 up here, but the rest of them are all going to need to be replaced. If you wrote the estimate like that, it would be, you know, 4 times the cost of what it would be to just go ahead and replace this entire roof. Also, you know, we've got for this repair, it's a big open hole in the roof where this ridge vent blew off during the storm. All of these shingles would need to be replaced because, you know, we had to nail the tarp down. It's just a lot. So I hope you guys can take this into consideration, and we don't have to go all the way through with appraisal, because I would love to get these people installed before you know, it gets too terribly cold. It's pretty nice right now for the time of the year that it is. Just get back to us as soon as you can. Let us know what you want to do. And yeah, thank you very much for watching my video.